Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here, and if you remember our last video, we were talking about how to create a very effective email marketing campaign. And today we are going to continue with that subject, and we will dive into the AI tools that we can use in order to be more efficient and to have better results. My name is Nicoleta Hayek, and I have 20 years of experience in global sales and business development. And today we are going to dive a little bit how to create a very effective email marketing.
Okay, so I was thinking that now to go quickly through to show you one of the tools that I was talking about during the video. And for this I choose MailChimp.com. MailChimp.com is a platform which can be used in so many different ways to make your email marketing more efficient and to use this AI automation possibilities. So here you have different plans that you can choose, but you also have the free version. So if you have up to 1000 monthly email sent and one user, you can have one audience list. Then you have some pre-built email templates. Of course, there are different plans that you can choose depending on your needs and what actually you want to use. Okay, I choose the free one just for you to see what is included. So here you have different campaigns that you can create. Different campaigns that you can create. I don't have any contacts included yet. I've just made this account with the purpose of showing you. Then we have automations. There are pre-built journeys from which you can select. So for example, if you want to have an automated welcome message to your new contact, or welcome SMS subscribers, or if you want to find new contacts through Instagram lead ads, or you want to send SMS messages, then you can select. Also you can add Calendly if you have any events where you want your customers to be invited to. Then also you have here transactional email, which we talked in the previous video. Here we have audience dashboard, which shows us the habits of our audience. Here what text they used, and then you can organize and target your audience on the information you will gather here. You have sign-up forms, you have different, for example, subscriber pop-up, contact form integrations, subscriber preferences, and then you have also analytics, which shows you how successful, or here, sorry, so how successful, what was the order rate, what was all the analytics, what you did referring to the campaigns that you already had, and also some suggestions about how you can improve your results. Here you can just take out reports and compare, and here you can create your own website, or you can create different funnels, different pages for attracting viewers on some page where you have different promotions or events. Then here for the content you have this creative assistant is something like Canva. If that's familiar to you, you can make your email templates and you can create different materials with the help of this tool. Then different integrations. Here you can integrate different programs that you might use, like Salesforce, I don't know, like Canva, Mixpanel. You can integrate if you already have this in your use, and you can use the information from that one. And another useful, which I did not present, is Create. Here you can create different emails, like for example you have different templates that you can start using. Then you can have different automations. You can create automated messages to send to your users. Here you can have the websites in order to have your online presence, and as I said before, different landing pages that you can create. And here with a creative assistant you can start creating different marketing content for your use. Okay, I hope this was useful. If you want me to go into more details on some other AI tool that I presented during the video, please leave a comment and I will be more than happy to do it. Thank you very much.
In summary, AI isn't just for the future, it is now. And as we have discussed today, the combination of AI and email marketing offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with subscribers in meaningful, personalized, and timely ways. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and drop any questions or insights or suggestions in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. So stay tuned for our next video, and I'm looking forward to dive with you to find more ways to unlock your sales potential, even if it's sales or marketing or business development. Stay tuned and see you soon to my next video. Bye!